Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to review the TEMOLA Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Cordless. It's a compact and lightweight vacuum cleaner that can be used to clean your home, car and other surfaces. In this video, we are going to talk about its design, features, performance and user experience. So, let's get started. The TEMOLA Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Cordless has a sleek and modern design with a comfortable grip that makes it easy to handle. It comes with a rechargeable battery that gives you up to 25 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. The vacuum cleaner also features a dustbin that can be easily removed and emptied, making it convenient to use. One of the most notable features of the TEMOLA Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Cordless is its powerful motor that generates 8000 PA of suction power, which makes it effective at picking up dirt, dust and debris from various surfaces. The vacuum cleaner also comes with different attachments such as a crevice tool and brush that allows you to clean tight spaces and delicate surfaces with ease. In terms of performance, the TEMOLA Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Cordless is impressive. It can easily clean carpets, hard floors, and upholstery, leaving them spotless. The vacuum cleaner also has a HEPA filter that captures 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it ideal for people with allergies or asthma. The filter is also washable, which means you can reuse it multiple times. Using the TEMOLA Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Cordless is a breeze. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and comes with an ergonomic handle that reduces fatigue during use. The vacuum cleaner also has a one-button switch that makes it easy to turn on and off. The dustbin is also easy to empty, which saves time and makes cleaning less of a hassle. Overall, the TEMOLA Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Cordless is a great investment for anyone looking for a portable and powerful vacuum cleaner. Its lightweight design, strong suction power, and versatile attachments make it ideal for cleaning various surfaces around your home and car. Although it has a few drawbacks such as a limited dustbin capacity and long charging time, its benefits far outweigh its cons. We highly recommend this vacuum cleaner to anyone in the market for a new one. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips.